with the last question of this exercise. Remember students, this consider as one of the most important question of this exercise. It is given a field is in the shape of a trapezium. We have taken ABCD where AB is parallel to CD. The length of sides are given. The parallel sides are given 10 and 25. And the non-parallel sides, that is AD and CD, are given 13 and 14 respectively. So you can take this 13, this 14, doesn't matter. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Now we have to find out the area of this trapezium. So let's first write down what is the area of trapezium. As we have already earlier discussed that half into the sum of its parallel sides into, we can say, the height between the two parallel sides or the distance. So the whole sum is all to find out the height. The rest of two values we have the length of parallel sides. We do not have the distance between the two parallel sides, that is the height. So let's see that how we can find out the height between this. So this can be done slightly different way. So let's see, it's a very important question. So what we'll do here, first of all we have to construct a segment. You can construct from B or from A. Here I have constructed from B, but remember when you construct from B, it should be parallel to AD. Let me give the name E. So here let's construct BE parallel to AD. So why we are doing all this, that I'll explain you later on. So first time you have to remember. Now I'll construct BE parallel to AD, as AD is already parallel to BC. And this time I have constructed BE parallel to AD. So we can say that ABED is a parallelogram. So as become parallelogram, the pair of opposite sides are same. So AB is 10, so D is also become 10. And as AD is 13, so B is also become 13. Okay. So now you can see that it becomes a triangle BEC. This length we obtain, as the whole length CD is given 25. This is 10, so this must be 50. So let us find out that CE or EC is equals to CD minus D. That is 25 minus 10. So we obtain CE, that is equals to 50. Now just see this triangle BEC. So in that we have all the three sides. So let us find out the area using the Heron's formula. I'll do for triangle BEC. A, B and C, all the three sides we have. Let us find out the semi-perimeter. Sum of all the sides divided by 2. That is 13 divided by 2. So that comes 42. So half of 42, that is 21. Let us find out the we got the semi-perimeter. Let us find out the area of this triangle. That is BEC. Heron's formula. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Whole square root. Let us substitute all the values of this S and all the three sides, that is A, B and C. So S is 21. This is 21 minus 15, 21 minus 14 and 21 minus 30. I'm sorry. And the whole square. Let us continue with the question by simplifying. So that is area 21 remain as it is. 21 minus 15, that is 6. 21 minus 14, that is 7. And 21 minus 13, that is 8. Let us do the prime factors of all the numbers. And 2 into 2 into 2. Let's count that how many times 2 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is also 2 times and 7 is also 2 times. So when we go for the square root, so it is 2 square, 3 and 7. 7 3s are 21, 21 4s are 84. So here the area of triangle, this we obtain 84. Now why we need to go for the area? Let me explain the base of this question. हमें area ढूंढने की जरूरत क्यों है? The reason to find out the area, because one of the formula to find out the area of a triangle is half into its corresponding base into height. So by using this formula, we can also find out the length of height. So let me show you in the diagram. This is the triangle, and what I'll do, I'll construct a perpendicular from B to EC. This is the perpendicular. Let me give the name BM. So let's construct BM perpendicular to EC. So we can obtain the value of BM which we require to find out the height. So let's find out this length BM using the area of triangle. So one formula which I told you, the area of triangle, that is half into base into height. So by using that formula we can find out the height. So let us go for that formula. So area of triangle BCE, that is half into its base into the height. So area we have, that is 84, just we obtain, into half. EC, that is given 15, this is equals to, and BM we have to find out. I'll take this both the terms left hand side. So 84 into 2 divided by 15 is equals to BM. So 3 5s are, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are. So the value of BM we obtain here, it's 56 upon 5 centimeter. So students, this is what we have to find out, that is the height. Still we didn't obtain the answer. This is the height. The value which we have to find out is area of trapezium. So let us go for it. The formula which we have already written earlier into the question. The formula of area of trapezium is area of trapezium ABCD. We have already mentioned, that is half into sum of its parallel sides into its height. So let us write down that half, the sum of the parallel sides are 10 and 25, and the length of height which we obtain 56 upon 5. So this is 35 upon 2 into 56 upon 5. 5 7s are 35, 2 28s are. Let's do the product of 28 and 7, that is 196 meter square. So at the end we come to the answer of this question. Area of the given trapezium is 196 meter square.